Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you want to create a budget and make it your goal for a certain period or a certain amount of transactions or budget that you want to make on your business, then you can track it easily on QuickBooks. So first thing you have to do is log into your QuickBooks account using your QuickBooks credentials. So once you are on your QuickBooks account, you can find the dashboard like this. Now you have to do is simply you have to do find the transactions here, or you can go to the financial plans where you can find budgets. So simply click on budgets. So once you have click on budgets, from here you can find all your budgets from here. Already I have created one. Also you can create a new budget from here by simply click on create budget. So once you have click on create budget, there it will ask some question to create a budget list for you. So the budget type you can see profit and loss. Select it. The period, you have to select the period. So I'm going to select the current year here. So I'm going to select it. Now the budget format, this is the consolidated format that will create an original level financial plan, and this is the subdivided that will create individual budget based on location, class, department or customers. Now the pre-filled data, it is actually optional, but you can select it like actuals in 2025. Now select the custom budgets here. That will help you to create custom budgets. Now simply click on next. So once you have clicked on next, it is preparing the budget. Now you can rename this budget name here. So I'm going to rename it like test. So I have just added it. Now from here you can find a period here. You can change it anytime you want, and the compare reference data, turn it on for comparing any references data. So here is the reference data that will compare with this actual 2025 data. And here you can see the sheet here, well organized sheet with all the incomes here, all the details here. So you can see as a yearly or quarterly or the monthly. So monthly is pretty good to track your goals and budgets easily on QuickBooks. So first thing you have to do is here, let me introduce this sheet here. So first row of the first column will hold the accounts here, where you can find the income, all the income and total income. Second, you can find the total cost of goods sold. Here you can find the expenses, and here you can find the other income and other expenses, where you can find lots of things from here. Now you have to do is simply, for example, I'm going to add a budget here. So you can organize it all over by yourself according to your current budget. So for example, the revenue, I want to set the revenue as a goal here. So simply I'm going to select it for August here, like I'm going to make it like 20,000. Now if you want the same budget for the rest of the month here, so you can just click on this arrow icon here, and it will copy to the rest of the month sales with the same digit. So and the total budget here, and this is the actuals, where you can find all your actual budgets that can compare easily, and the total budget that you have planned right now. And this is all the individual months that you can plan a budget for individually for each month from here. So once you have created, you can export it or print it easily as a PDF, or you can export it on your Excel sheet. So also you can show all reference data from here. Now you have to do is simply click on save button. Once you have saved the data, save the budget, it will help you to track your budget. It will just notify you each and everything for your budget as a goal, so you can meet your goal easily in a certain period that you have pre-planned. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.